Be honest. How many AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? And how many of them are actually making you money instead of just sitting there collecting dust? Most people are stuck in a loop of collecting complex prompts and juggling 10 different tabs every single day. That is exactly why veteran digital marketer Sean Donahoe created the AI Income Engine. It's a brand new 5-day live masterclass designed to completely shift how you use artificial intelligence. Instead of teaching theories, Sean is showing you how to turn your AI setup into a direct income stream using a simple 10-minute-a-day habit. Here's the real kicker. Just for registering for this free 5-day masterclass, you get completely free access to his proprietary desktop software called WayLand. WayLand is like a local command center for your machine. It takes all the AI models you already pay for, like Claude, Gemini, and Codex, and hooks them up to 73 built-in assistants and over 170 pre-made workflows. It essentially builds automated specialist AI teams to do the heavy lifting for you. During the live masterclass, you'll learn how to point this engine at a single digital asset, build it, and ship it live. Plus, if you secure your seat right now during the pre-launch phase, you lock in early room access, get entered into a $500 cash giveaway, and get a quick start build kit with 4 done-for-you templates if you show up on time. There's no credit card required and no hidden catches for the software. You keep WayLand whether you buy anything down the road or not. Spaces for the live rooms always fill up fast, so click the link in the description below, secure your free seat, install WayLand, your AI agent software, and let's make AI finally pay you back. See you there.